So in this video, I will show you guys exactly how to decide on what should be your launch price and what will be your final price in which you will continue selling after the launch period finishes. So why do you need different prices? So at first, when you are launching, your product will have 0 reviews and your competitors will have plenty of reviews, and customers won't prefer buying your product against your competitions. And also, when you are launching, during the couple of days while you are launching, and in the first couple of days, Amazon gives you extra benefit, an extra boost in keyword and ranking, and this period is also called honeymoon period of your product. And you have to make sure you get plenty of sales during this period in order to get a good keyword boost. So now, can you not launch in the final price? So if you launch in the final price with 0 reviews, then what will happen is your customers, there will be very less chance that the customers will buy your product instead of other competitors that have plenty of reviews. I'm not telling that you won't get any sale. You will definitely get some sale as you are improving the product and coming up with a better quality product and also doing PPC. So you will get few sales, but that sales will be not very much in order to get a good keyword ranking. So how to decide the launch price? So for deciding the launch price, you have to look at your competitors. So you have to choose your top 3 competitors, and you have to choose the selling price in which they are selling. And you have to set your launch price 100 to 200 rupees below the competitor's price. So suppose your competitor's average selling price is 999, then you have to sell for 7999, and you have to keep your selling price at 7999 for a few days, and you have to increase the price steadily. So now, when to increase the price? So for increasing the price, you have to consider 2 important things. First, you have to get a consistent daily sales, and a consistent sales is very important to get your keywords ranked and hold that ranking position. And the second important thing is getting reviews. So you have to make sure you get at least 5 to 7 reviews at the first week when you launched. And you can also watch my video in which I describe how to get reviews. But you have to make sure you get the reviews very quickly in the first week. So how to increase the price? So for increasing the price, let's assume you have your product is getting consistent daily sales. Let's assume it is getting sales every day, like 8 sales today, 9 sales tomorrow, and 10 sales the day after that. And then it is the perfect time to increase the price. And your product has also managed to get 5 to 7 reviews by using any method. And now your keywords also manage to hold their positions in ranking. And now this is the perfect time to increase the price. But remember, when you are increasing your price, you have to make sure you are increasing steadily and not increasing in a sudden. So you have to make sure you are increasing slowly and a small fraction of the amount, so that the algorithm doesn't get confused. So now the most important question is how to decide on the final price in which we will continue selling after the launch period. So let's assume you have gone through the entire process that I always tell in my videos. So let's assume you have chosen a great product, a great quality product, and you have also taken the time to differentiate your product from your competitors, and your product is far more better than your competitors. You have also added some bundle items with your product, and you have also done great images, and also in your main image you have managed to showcase the bundle items along with your product. Now you can obviously place your product at a premium position, and you can also increase your product's price by 100 or 200 rupees from your competitors, so that your product falls under a premium product category. So let's assume your product is very good quality, your images are also done very professionally, your product listing is also great, and you are also offering great value to the customers, and your customers will prefer buying your product against your competitors. And if you place your product at 100 to 200 rupees higher than your competitors, then also your customers will prefer buying your product, as you are offering together more value to the customer's eyes. So you can obviously place at 100 to 200 rupees extra than your competitor's price. So you can obviously increase to a greater extent by continuous testing your price. I remember for my first product is almost double the price of the competitor's price. So as I have placed it under a premium product category, and my product's images are also very good, and the quality of the product is also very good. I also offer a 5-year money back guarantee and a bundle item with the product. So the customers prefer buying my product, also paying a little bit extra and purchasing my product instead of the competitors. So that's all for this video. Hope you really like this video, and please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get regular updates like this. Thank you very much for watching.